Yeah.
Afternoon guys, Al here again, off on another adventure. So Paul Monday's giving me a call, wants to get out on the Jurassic coast. I'm in a bit of a rush, so let's get down there. So both rods are in the water. I've got a place rig on one and a double sand eel on the other. I'm using a wishbone on the place rig with a bit of bling and up and over on the other one. So yeah, see if we can get anything. So Paul's pushed into the first fish of the night, baby little tope. That's his first one. Well done, mate, good effort. So second fish of the session, my first one, standard dogfish, unbelievable. But yeah, stops the blank, so we're getting put back. So it looks like Paul's pulled into something else. Hopefully it ain't a doggy. I'll put 20 quid on that being a dogfish. We'll get it in, hopefully, and have a look.
Good species tonight. Hope we can get something else.
Happy days, little bullass. Well done, mate. Let's get it put back. Paul's pulled in again, little slack line bite. So hopefully we'll get it in and we'll have a look. So fourth fish of the session. How much did that weigh?
Just over £2.
Just over £2, chunky little dogfish. Well done, mate, happy days. So apologies if the audio is pretty rubbish. The breakers have been coming in pretty loud now. We've had 4 fish, 3 different species. So a couple of doggies, a tope and bullhuss. At least we know the fish are feeding now, so big baits. See if we can get anything bigger. So, worst thing ever. Spider crabs, looks like they're into play. Yeah, we're probably going to fish it for about another hour. But hopefully these aren't in for good. So yeah, we'll get it put back. Will we? Yeah, hopefully they're not in. Let's get the bait back out. So I've just pulled my rod in. Looks like the spider crabs are into play. So I think we'll call it a night there. There you go, guys, another session done. So yeah, good session all in all. As soon as I got there, I saw a subscriber. Now I feel really bad because I'm pretty sure his name was Steve. It might have been Sean. If you are watching, mate, give us a shout down below. I'm so sorry, I'm rubbish with names. And then when we were fishing, there was another 2, Brandon and Phil. Again, if I've got your names wrong, I'm really sorry. But no, we had a good chat. Talking about rigs, talking about fishing. We're going to set up a little get together. So yes, always good to see you guys. As for the fishing side of things, I didn't have the best. I had a dogfish, but yeah, as always, that stops the blank. Paul had a couple of dogfish, bullhuss and tope. As for the tope, that's the first one I've seen in the flesh, and it's also the first one that Paul's ever caught. So well done, mate. Awesome effort. So yeah, all in all, quality session. Nice to get out. The weather was good. Meeting people as well. Thank you very much. As always, guys, give us a like on the video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. So, and eventually we go on, you can come with us, and we'll see you at the next session.